I'm Pixelco and welcome to the channel. Today we'll learn how to edit videos with Wevideo. Wevideo is a browser-based video editor, which means you can use it on any computer. It's perfect for anyone who needs basic editing functions like YouTubers. For your convenience, I've added timestamps in the description so you can skip around to what you need quickly. Also, if you're interested in Wevideo, I have an affiliate link in the description. Check that out, and it will help the channel grow with a little bit of commission. So let's start the tutorial. So I'm already logged in, and to log in is a very simple process. You just click up there, it'll say log in. And what I want to do is head over to the dashboard and start importing my videos that I want to edit. So it says create new, so let's do that. And if you're just new starting out, it will just say create new there. So I'm going to choose the horizontal aspect and just start editing. So here we are. If you want to, you can upgrade and you can get access to stock video, images, and audio clips extra, but I usually just use my own. They also have a trial that you can explore. I have not tried that out yet, so I'm going to go right here where it says media to start uploading what I want to edit in this video. So let's click that, import media, and I'm going to browse my computer to find what I want here. So here are the videos that I want. I have 4 clips and 1 image here. So I'm going to import all of that. And while that's importing, I'll pause the video. Okay, all my media is uploaded. It's ready to be dragged to the timeline and used. You can tell the difference between your video clips and your image clips because your video clips will have like a little timestamp on it, and the images will not. Of course, it won't show this time, but that's okay. So I'm going to take this clip right here and drag it to the timeline. Let me show you what your timeline is made of. It has an audio track and 2 video tracks, and you can add more as you need. Like if I needed 3 video tracks, I could just add one and click OK. And if I want to get rid of it, I'll just click on the trash can right here and delete the track. Okay, so I have my video here, video clip, and what I want to do is just try some basic editing functions here. So let's say that I want to cut this clip right about here. I can do so by selecting it, make sure the playhead is where I want it, and clip. And I can then, you've split your clip in 2, and then I can move it back there. Now, if another way I can do that is just click and drag to trim it, and then drag it back if I want to. If I want to delete, I can just make sure it's selected, click on it, and delete that part. And now I have this 23-second clip. So let's add another clip to here. I believe that's a clip, or is that an image? That's an image. Let me add a video. Well, I can keep that there. And let's add this right here. So I've got the video, image, and another video right here. Okay. So next, let's check out the menu, main menu, and here you can access a lot more that you can do with Wevideo. You can start something new, open something you've already had, save, and check out your settings, edit in full screen and switch to story mode. Story mode is great if you're doing like image montages or something like that. Next we'll add transitions. The easy way to do it is just check them out right here. They're located right here at the top of your menu here. And you have a good selection of different transitions you can use to preview them. Just click them and it'll show you what they do. And to add one, you can just drag it in between your clips. Click on it, and you can change the duration. I'll change this to 4 seconds. And let's see what that'll look like. Okay. And if you want to get rid of it or change a different one, you can access it this way. Like so. Or if you want to get rid of it, click on it again and just click the trash can and it's gone. Next, if you want, you can add fade in and fade out. Just click on your clip and here's where the fade options are. And you can you'll see that you have a green line, and I will click right here if I want to fade out at this point, and you can adjust this any kind of way you want. So I've got 3 points there, and if you just want to, just drag that back there, and I'll show you what that looks like to fade out to black. And if you want to remove that, just take that up there. Or just click this eye and get that out of there. So let's check out the special effects that they have. So here are some effects that you can use. You can apply it to the one clip or all the clips. So I just want to apply it to this one video clip. And as you can see, you can sharpen it or make it black and white. So what I'll do is I'll add the dream effect just to this clip, and I'll click apply. And let's see what that looks like. And it changes the way it looks. Let's try another one. So I will add the black and white and remove the dream. I clicked on there to remove it. And just to this clip only, and apply. And now it's in black and white. So you can play around with those to see what you like and what you need. So now let's work with text. I'll continue to use this clip of the waterfall, and to get to the text options, I'll just go here. And you can have animated text. They have some text that deals with the seasons. That's kind of like a pre-made template. And to use them, you're just going to drag it and put it on the layer or track above the clip you want to use. And here's what it'll look like. So to get rid of that, I'll just access this little menu here and hit the trash can. Now for other text options, here you have a lot. You have lower thirds, you have flying text, and all kinds of options here. These are really good. They're basic, easy to use. So let's try this one. I've used this one before. I'm just going to place it over, and this is what it will look like. And to customize everything, you're just going to get to the menu here and click on the pencil. And on the pencil you can write your text. etc. You can change the colors, like if I wanted red, and just click done editing, and this is what you'll get. Like I said, they have a lot of different options here you can try out. So what I'm going to do is get rid of that, and I'm also going to go back into the special effects and remove the effects from it and put it back to the way it was. Okay, now the next thing you have in here is you have a little bit of free music and sound effects, so you can always check those out. Sorry if that was too loud. And you can drag it to the audio track if you want to use it. If this is too loud, this is the volume here, and you can adjust the volume so it's a little bit lower and play it like that. And you can edit the audio to fit your track by clicking on it and clicking on the scissors and just get rid of the other so that it covers your whole track, or covers where you want it. Okay, so, and if you want to get rid of the whole thing, just access that trash can there. Next we have a graphic overlays, which are really fun to work with. Here you have backgrounds that you can use. You have solid backgrounds, and these are more if you're animated. They like this, and you can put stuff on top of there. And you have overlays. They are like if you wanted to add these TV lines, you can do it like that. I'm not sure if this is coming up in the video, but you can add that. What else? Let me get out of that. They have a few. Old film is something I've used before. Let's try the beating heart. So you have a few of those you can use. You can they also have the countdown. What did I think I cut it there? Oops, I keep cutting it here. I'll have to, and delete. And here we have the countdown overlay. So let's get rid of that. Alright. I want to show you how to add a theme to all your clips or just one clip. We'll just do it with one clip, and here are the themes right here. Click on themes, and right now we have no theme, but you can add, let's see, undercover. So let's add undercover, and you can replace it. This theme can replace the music or any audio that you have, transitions, etc. So what I'm going to do is just uncheck all of those, and all I want is the effects. So use this theme. So now it has a kind of greenish glow with the effects on there. So let's try another theme for this clip, because that one was kind of hard to see. Let's go back. Let's do no theme and pick. Let's try memories. Alright, it gave it kind of a old-fashioned look to it. So you can play around with those, see what you want. If you want to use the music and transitions, etc., you can have those on there too. So another interesting thing you can do is apply using greens. If you use green screen, then this will work for you as well. So what I'm going to do is go to the videos that I uploaded, and I'm going to drop this on top of this video. It has the green screen. I'm going to click on my clip with the green screen on it, and head over to let's see which. Let me find out where it is. Right here, the color keying tab here. I'm just going to click on the dropper and remove all of the green on there and done editing. So now I have a really weird looking goldfish, but that's how you can use the green screen here. So let's try with another clip. This one is a tornado or something like that. And so let's go click the pencil, remove the background, and click editing. And I'm gonna so that came out a little bit better. I'll show you how to resize the video. Is it right here? So to resize it, I just click it and I can make it a little bit like there. I can move it around where I want, and where I have it where I want, done editing. And there we go. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of this, and next I'll show you how to do picture in a picture. So let's say that you want to add this clip on there. I put the picture that I want smaller in there on top of this one, and what I'll do is just go click on the pencil and I'll resize this right here and just put it where I want and click done editing, and now you should have picture in a picture. So when you're done with your video, the only thing you have to do next is finish. You can give it a name and set, and you can pick Ultra 4K, 1080p, etc. I usually pick that, and I usually lock it and just click finish. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section. I have a link to Wevideo in the description and timestamps, so you can skip around if you need to come back and learn, pick up a few things. So thank you for watching and take care.